am Dr. Pratbiha, consultant in fertility, Tender Palm Hospital, Lucknow. Enhance your fertility by maintaining healthy lifestyle, maintaining your ideal body weight, and staying physically active throughout the day. Adapt good eating habits which includes less carb and fat, more protein, more colorful fruits, vegetables, which are rich in antioxidants and vitamins and minerals. Try to avoid trans fat and avoid intake of any form of recreational drug and smoking, alcohol. Do unprotected intercourse for at least 1 year in cases of age if it is less than 30 years. If age is more than 30 years, do unprotected intercourse for at least 6 months. Not able to conceive, do visit your fertility expert. Thank you.